Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the McCormick Tractor 2025. The McCormick Tractor 2025 model is finally here, bringing a bold new look and advanced features that will excite agricultural enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of the standout updates is the refreshed color scheme, giving the tractor a more modern and dynamic appearance. The updated design doesn't just stop at aesthetics, it reflects McCormick's ongoing commitment to blending innovation with functionality. Under the hood, the 2025 model boasts an impressive range of technical enhancements designed to improve productivity and comfort on the field. Engine options deliver robust power output, ensuring superior performance even in demanding conditions. The tractor's fuel efficiency has also been optimized, which translates to lower operating costs and longer hours of uninterrupted operation. Whether you're handling heavy-duty tasks or lighter fieldwork, this tractor is built to deliver reliability and efficiency every time. One of the key features of the 2025 McCormick tractor is its advanced transmission system, providing seamless shifting and better control on varying terrains. Operators will appreciate the smoother ride, which enhances productivity and reduces fatigue during long working hours. The improved suspension system further contributes to comfort, making it easier to navigate rough fields without compromising performance. The cabin design has been completely reimagined with the operator's convenience in mind. Spacious and ergonomically designed, the interior offers premium seating, a high-tech dashboard, and an intuitive control panel. Climate control and noise insulation ensure a comfortable environment, even during long shifts. Connectivity options have also been upgraded, allowing operators to access real-time data, monitor performance, and stay connected while on the job. Another significant enhancement is the precision farming technology integrated into the 2025 McCormick model. With advanced GPS and smart farming tools, farmers can now manage their fields more efficiently, reduce waste, and maximize yields. These tools are designed to help operators make data-driven decisions, ensuring that every aspect of farm management is optimized for success. Safety features have also seen a major upgrade in this new model. Enhanced visibility, automatic braking systems, and advanced lighting ensure that operations can continue safely even in low-light conditions. The robust build quality and durable materials ensure that the tractor can withstand tough environments, providing long-lasting service. For those concerned about sustainability, the McCormick 2025 tractor incorporates eco-friendly technology designed to reduce emissions and minimize the environmental impact. The engine complies with the latest emission standards, demonstrating McCormick's commitment to a greener future. In terms of customization, McCormick offers a variety of attachments and implements that can be easily integrated into the 2025 model. This flexibility allows operators to tailor the tractor to their specific needs, making it a versatile choice for different types of agricultural work. The McCormick 2025 tractor is a testament to innovation, performance, and operator-focused design. With its modern color scheme, powerful engine, advanced features, and sustainable technology, it sets a new standard in the agricultural equipment market. Whether you're a small-scale farmer or managing large fields, this tractor is designed to meet your needs with unmatched efficiency and reliability. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more first looks, reviews, and detailed insights on the latest agricultural equipment. Stay tuned to Gear Run for the best content in the world of machinery and tech.